Hello guys. Welcome back to LH Talent Agency. Today we will discuss how to become a host in the Mimi Live app. Let's go. Here are the two methods for host registration. Method 1. Become Mimi host using Agent ID. Download the Mimi Live app, link given in the description box. Install and register on the Mimi Live app. Click on My Agent from the home page. Enter Agent ID to join the agency. Method 2. Become Mimi host using Agent ID. Download the Mimi Live app. Install or register on the Mimi Live app. Open the My Agent option from Profile. Share Mimi ID or host code with the agent. Confirm agent invitation received in app messages. Note: every host must complete face authentication immediately for streaming after joining the agency. Now you are ready to go live on the Mimi Live app. Thanks for watching this video.